Hello guys, this is a video to show a VR application to view the earthquake since 2000 on the planet whose magnitude is larger than 6. Okay, so as you see, this is our Earth. You can rotate counterclockwise or clockwise by pressing T or Y on the keyboard. And also you can move around to see more details or any different area on the planet. So here are some options you can use to better sort out the data. Like this one is you can enable or disable the borders, the country borders. Okay, so you will see that these borders will show up. So let's disable first. And this one is to change the cutoff for the magnitude. Say like if we increase, you see any earthquake whose magnitude is less than this cutoff will be disabled. So let's move it back to the default 6. And the color was also represent the magnitude that the yellow is for 6 and red is for 10, and any color between like some degree of orange will represent the corresponding magnitude between 6 and 10. And you can also change the size of the spheres representing the hypercenter. Yeah, you can decrease or increase. It's back to the one of the default. And this one, the depth scaling is to enable the earthquake whose depth is less than 20 kilometers. So if you so say here is 1.3 and the default scale of the Earth is 1, so only if you zoom in, yeah, to 1.3, the earthquake whose depth is larger than 20 kilometers will show up. So you can also increase this scale like to 1.6, so you have to zoom in more to view those hypercenters. And so this set will to set up any particular area which you are interested. So you can change the longitude and latitude, and also change the way to view them from above or from side. So say if we want to see any place pretty north, like in Russia, so you can. Yep. So this is close to the polar point. Well, yeah, you can also rotate to the south to see the other side of it. Okay, so if you can also click this button to return to the default view. Yeah, so this is our default view, and this part is for some. So, for example, so for some countries where the earthquake occurs more frequently than the other places, you want to see the more details of them, like for Japan. Okay, so here will be two maps popping out. So in the smaller one, you see this semi-transparent reed planes. You can drag it. So the place which covered by this plane will show up in the larger map. Well, so this gives you more details. You see with the maps with higher resolution to show you so each square is where the Earth occurred. So you can also increase the magnitude. Okay, so you can see. All right, so this must be the one occurred in 2011, which results in the Fukushima. Maybe that's the right way to correct that nuclear disaster. So here's some other countries like Greece. Oh, because magnitude is pretty high, so yeah, so see here's some earthquake points. And there are also like Chile. Yeah, there's also two. And Indonesia, Mexico. You will see this maps with higher resolution to view the earthquakes. And you can click the planet to go back to the default view. Okay, so this is roughly how it is. So thanks for watching.